My name is Tiffany Murray. I am from Highgate, St. Mary, and attended Guys Hill High School. I was 27 years old when I went missing in Montego Bay, Jamaica, when I went for an interview at a hotel called the Moonlight Hotel.
My name is Felecia Tiffany. My friends call me Poochie. I am from Montego Bay, Jamaica, and attended Christiana High School. I was 23 years old when I went missing in Montego Bay, Jamaica, when I went for an interview at a hotel called the Moonlight Hotel.
On March 16, 2019, at around 9:30 p.m., I left my house in Palmetto Grove, Highgate, St. Mary to go to an interview in Montego Bay, Jamaica. I learned about the job interview through social media.
I left home to meet a man who claimed to be a JCF detective. He told me that he could provide a job for me in the hotel sector. I was unhappy where I was working, so I took him up on his offer. I was instructed to go to the Moonlight Hotel in Montego Bay. At about 3 p.m. on the 18th of March 2019, I left my home in Montego Bay, Jamaica to go to the interview.
When I arrived in Montego Bay, I realized that it was a scam. I called my sister and told her that I am coming home because there is no hotel in Montego Bay called the Moonlight Hotel.
At 7 p.m. that same night, I called my grandma and let her know that I will immediately begin working and that she should not worry about me. She was concerned and asked me if I had found somewhere to stay, and I told her yes. She could tell that I was not alone. I called her again and reassured her that she should not fret about me. And that was the last time she ever saw me.
That was the last time anyone ever saw me. There is a $2 million reward for anyone that has information on my whereabouts.
Please don't forget us.
Please don't forget us.